Practice exam number 9. Estimate the p-value of t is equal to 1.76 of a one-sample t procedure with sample size 24 and a two-tailed test. We can't use a calculator here. I know you've been accustomed to it in the homeworks, but I mean this isn't bad. All you're gonna have to do is use table C. So to be able to use table C, we have to identify all the necessary information to accurately figure out what our p-values are. So remember that you have to match up the degree of freedom to the t-statistic. Degree of freedom is calculated by n minus 1. Our sample size n is 24, so we subtract 1, it's 23. So going to table C, the degree of freedom is 23, so we're using this row 23, and then we got to look at where 1.76 is. 1.76 is between 1.714 and 2.069. So I hope you can see that. 1.76 is between these two numbers. And so we're looking for a two-sided p-value, so our two-sided p-value is between 0.10 and 0.05. We're not using the top, we're using the two-sided p. Right, so our p-value with a t-statistic of 1.76 is between 0.10 and 0.05. So if we're estimating for what our p-value could be, which of all of these could it possibly be? It can't be 0.9544 because that's almost equal to 1. All right, and that's not near 0.10, 0.05. All right, the reason it's not 0.0456 is because 0.0456 is right here, 0.0456. So that's, out of the t-statistic that we have. And then the other option, 0.1562. So 0.1562 is right out here, right in the middle here. So that's not in the interval of 0.10 and 0.05. And that is why, actually B 0.0456, I think I made a mistake, 0.0456. 0.0456 is right around here. So 0.0456 is in here. But that still doesn't work. 0.09 would be right just before 0.10. And guess what? Right before 0.10 as a t-statistic is 1.714, 1.72, 1.73. So hopefully I didn't confuse you anymore. That's how you use table C, and that's why it's A.